Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful Diya painting in simple 3 steps. So let's get started. This 18 to 10 inch cotton canvas and my various size of various brushes, these are the equipment for this painting. Also we are going to use these colors for the first step. So let's get into the first step. I decided to make this background so aesthetic, so I decided the colors magenta and blue for the background. So I'm applying the color magenta on the top of the canvas. I personally like the combination of magenta and blue. It always gives some sort of relaxation and also pleasing effort to the eye. So I'm mixing these two colors for the background. So I'm filling the top of the canvas with magenta and the bottom of the canvas with the blue, and in the middle we are going to use the color purple. So now I am applying blue for the bottom of the canvas. I am using my larger flat brush to apply the colors. It helps me to save my time and also it helps me my colors dry so fast. So it stopped my colors dry so fast. So I am using larger size brush, and here I am using my purple in between these two colors. I am applying the purple here, and also I am applying little bit of magenta to it, and I am mixing this color to the magenta to have a smooth background. I am using my makeup brush to have this smooth background. Now it's time to flip the canvas, and I am applying black color on the top of the canvas, and I am using my makeup brush and using my brush in a circular motion to fill the area very fast. And if you are not having a makeup brush, then use your flat brush to fill the area. I am adding little bit of magenta here to have a smooth background, and also in this place I am using the blue to have a smooth background. Now let's jump into the second step. In the second step we are going to paint the background light effect. For that we are going to take some colors in the brush and apply them in a circular motion, and we have to make the basic structure of the light, and we have to do one important task, that is wipe off the excess colors on the brush. And now we blend the color with the background, that is for the background light effect. So don't forget to wipe off the excess colors on your brush and blend the colors with the background. It gives you a sort of glowing and vibrant light effect, and we are going to do this process again and again with different colors to make a beautiful different color light effects for this painting. Now I am applying blue color for this background light effect. I am adding another green color to it to make this background so beautiful and aesthetic. In the third and the final step of this painting, we are painting the Diya. So I am using my purple mixing up with a little bit of white, and I am painting the basic structure of this oil lamp. I decided to fill the inside of the lamp with the magenta. So I am mixing up my magenta with a little bit of white. So I am filling the color here. I am adding a dark shade of purple to the brim of the lamp. Now it's time to decorate the lamp with some patterns and dots. So I am giving some dots using the color white and yellow, and I am using my detail brush for this minute dots. And in the first row we are going to paint some flowers for the pattern. If you want to paint your oil lamp with another pattern, then just use it, and I am using simple pattern for this lamp, so I am using the flower pattern here. If you are having any other pattern you want to paint, just use it and take your time and enjoy the whole process, and that matters while painting. Once we finish the decorations in the oil lamp, we are going to add some light effect inside the lamp. So I am mixing color orange and yellow for that. If you find my tutorials are easy and valuable, then make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me in my Instagram. There you can find all the regular updates. Now let's paint the candle wick. For that I am using the color magenta and white, and once I finish this I am going to paint the candle wick with black color. Now let's paint the flame. For that I am using the color white and I just paint the basic structure of the flame. We are going to work on this later once the color is fully dry. Before that I am painting the shadow of the lamp. For that I am using the color purple and black and I am just painting the basic structure of the shadow of the lamp. And once we finish this shadow, we are going to paint one major thing in this painting, that is the reflection of the light on the floor. For that I am using the color red and I am applying the color on the bottom of the canvas, and we are going to add orange and yellow, more vibrant color on this. Now I am applying the color yellow around the flame and I am give the color around the flame to make the vibrant and glowing effect around the flame. Once it was done, we are adding the final touch up of this painting, that is the reflected light area. So I am adding the color yellow and mixing the color yellow with a little bit of white to make the color more vibrant. And once we finish this, the entire process of the painting is also finished. After 3 hours of painting, we finally finished this beautiful oil lamp painting. And let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting. Until then, have fun with colors.